We are looking at how to say I love you. In Irish, we'll be looking at how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing Irish names and Irish vocabulary too, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say I love you? Well, here is one of the several different ways of saying it. In Irish, this means I'm in love with you. How do you say it? Tá me ngrá. Tá me ngrá. Tá me ngrá. Pretty straightforward once you know. I love you in Irish is said as Tá me ngrá. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting Irish names in particular, and Irish expressions and vocabulary whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.